Hey, good morning. Henry McClure live. Hey, I never walk around saying I'm right all the time. And I think the way to solve this issue on this inspection thing, the code compliance entering homes, whether it's voluntary or mandatory, let's get today's law and post it, and let's get the proposed law and post it side by side and analyze it, okay? What I do is sometimes I hear the theory of what they're trying to do, and maybe I read into it what I want. But something, that's called being human. I want to be transparent and I want to be honest. So I appreciate the viewer last night saying, hey, the Capital Journal got it wrong. Well, we'll get it right. Thank you. Hey, I'd like to thank Rich Brown this morning, taking my phone call. He's got a really interesting building there on Huntoon that was a church that he's turned it into a basketball court. And he knows about my church that I'm trying to turn into a home. And it looks like we're going to get Father Lightcap and Father Nikolai together and talk about how one holy Catholic and Apostolic Church can work together. That would be cool. I'm heading to Kansas City. But I do want to mention something, what's going on, and I need to learn a lot more about it. But the planet alignment that we're, there's a planet alignment going on right now. Well, there's also 440 million people celebrating this alignment over in India. And, 14 million. A friend of mine just got back. He got to celebrate 2 days. But this alignment happens every 144 years. And it happens every year that ends in a 9. So, if you take all our numbers, 2025, that's a 9. So this alignment won't happen for 5 generations. So what's going on right now is truly the time of times during our lifetime. As much as I'd like to try and figure it out, I won't be around in 144 years in this physical form. But enjoy your day today. Need to make deals. I need to get that church sold. OBO. Look, I'm trying to raise funds for them to build on Apostles Hill. So help me out. I'm live.